Hey, it's Chef Evelyn, and I am back with another video. And in this quick video, I want to share with you 3 important things that you need to make sure that you have in every cooking class that you offer. So let's just keep it short. Let's get straight to the point. Number 1 is you need a cooking class waiver. So particularly if you're going to be doing in-person cooking classes, if you're going to be doing cooking classes with children, if you're going to be doing cooking classes in people's homes, you want to make sure that you have a waiver, right? Because you're dealing with knives, you're dealing with heat, you're dealing with flames, and you're dealing with food, right? People may have allergic reactions, people may injure themselves, people could slip and fall, right? All these different things. And so you want to make sure that you are protected. You definitely want to have a waiver that covers all of the things, right? Property damage, all that kind of stuff. You want to make sure that you have a waiver for your cooking class business. The second thing that you need to have is you need to have a survey, right? And the reason why you need to have a survey is because depending on how well you've done your survey, it is like the lifeline for your business. It is what's going to help you make more money. It's going to help you create return clientele. It's going to help you improve your classes. Trust me, I've been doing cooking classes in every format that you can think of for the past 15 years, right? I've done online cooking classes, online cooking courses, online memberships. I've done in-person classes. I've done private events, right? I've done kids cooking classes, right? Hands-on demonstration, you name it, right? I've done corporate cooking classes. And I will tell you the thing that kept me going and that I've been able to continuously over the years still get opportunities to do cooking classes. People still reach out to me even after I retired, but now I'm coming out of retirement. That's a whole different story, right? I have a video about that. Is that I knew what questions to ask. You know, most surveys are like, how did you enjoy the class? Okay, how was the food? And it's like, that's important, but there are other things that you really want to know about the cooking class, about the clientele that you have in the class, and more, right, that you need from that survey for every single class that you do, because you will start to get data and you will start to notice trends for each and every class. So regardless of the format or the type of class that you're doing, you definitely want to have a survey. And the third one is you want to have something what I like to call class notes, which is, let's say you have a menu of a class. Let's say the menu is like date night in Paris, okay? And, you know, you may offer that cooking class more than once, right? And show notes is a way for you to standardize. Class notes is a way for you to standardize that class, right? So there's certain things that you want to capture about that class so that when you do it again, you're not having to recreate the class from scratch, right? And so I will tell you that I've put all of these things, a waiver template, a survey template, and a class notes template in my cooking class business toolkit, where there is a waiver in there that you can use as inspiration. Obviously, you still need to seek legal counsel and draft an official legal document, right? But it covers all the things that you want to consider when it comes to hosting cooking classes. I also have put a copy of the exact survey that I've used for years, right? And all the questions that I would ask and all of that into a template, so that all you have to do is you can like copy and paste it, or you can just recreate it. But all the questions that you want to ask and the information that you need to know are there on that survey template. And then finally, I'm giving you a copy of the exact class notes that I've used over the years, right? Broken down into sections, what kind of information you want to capture about the class, and so that you can have that as you can continue to create menus and create classes in the future. And so it doesn't matter if you're doing kids classes, adult classes, date night classes, specialty topic classes, whether it's online classes, in-person classes, demos, things like that, you can use this class notes template for that. So listen, I just thought I'd do a quick video and share with you. Those are the 3 things that you need. And if you don't want to create them from scratch, right, I definitely have already done the work for you. You can grab the Cooking Class Business Toolkit at the link below, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.